guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vlog. Alright, it's been a while. I know, let me put you down somewhere actually. So it's obviously been a little while since I have spoken to you guys, since I've put up a video. I think it's, yeah, been like 2 weeks. Don't pull my bun out, Archie. No, I just did my hair up. What are you doing? No, don't pull my hair out. Yeah, it's been a minute. It's been, yeah, probably like 2 or 3 weeks since I've actually put any vlogs up. I think it's only been 2 weeks actually. I did vlog a few things, but I've just decided to start fresh. And yeah, there was a lot of footage and just it takes so long to edit, and it's like old footage now, like it's from a while ago, so I just didn't really think it would be interesting. It's also like Christmassy, not really Christmas stuff in all honesty, but like more towards Christmas time and stuff like that. But yeah, it is now the 31st of January. I hope you all had a really nice Christmas. We spent our Christmas at home, and then we also went over to Allah's mum and sister's house and we just had lunch with them. It was really nice. We had some really good food. And yeah, I just hung out with them for a bit and then came back home. And yeah, other than that, we've been trying to organize things around the house, which has really been quite boring. It's just been waiting around at home for people to turn up to come and get stuff, and selling furniture and things like that. I'm so happy to say that everything is like pretty much done now. Obviously we've still got our couch, but somebody is coming to pick that up, and then we've also like sold all of the big stuff that we needed to, and then over the next couple of days we will just be slowly getting rid of stuff. We have a council pickup in our area soon anyway, so we're just going to pop it out on the side of the road and then the council come and pick it up. So yeah, we'll be sorting that stuff for the next couple of days. We are in this house until the 3rd. We actually can be here until the 6th, but we're here until the 3rd. We've decided to go and stay in a hotel because on the 3rd most people are coming to pick up like everything, so we won't have like our things like a couch, a TV, a bed, fridge, things like that. We won't have like the necessities, so we thought we'll just go stay in a hotel a couple of days before we leave, and then we can yeah, just get on the flight and go. So that's what we're doing. The next couple of days are going to be pretty busy. Us just packing up everything. We have been trying to stay super safe at the moment. There are so many cases in New South Wales at the moment. It's a little bit crazy, so we've been trying really hard not to go anywhere. Allah's out at the moment because he's needed to go put some oil in the car, and then also we needed a couple more suitcases, so he's gone to go grab those. But yeah, we've really been trying to just stay at home and not go do anything because we don't want to catch anything. If we catch anything, we can't leave, you know. So yeah, we're just trying to sit tight at home and stay safe and keep out of everybody's way pretty much. But yeah, that's what we've been up to for the last couple of weeks. Today I am just obviously here with Archie. He's watching Blippi at the moment, and yeah, we've just been chilling out. I've been going through a couple of things. I'm going to go through his toys a little bit later on. We got rid of our TV unit, so now we just have like the cube storage that we had over that area. And I'm just going to go through all of his toys. I think we're going to get rid of a lot of the toys because I think he'll get quite spoiled when we go home anyway. Like, we're not going to need too many toys for him in quarantine. And yeah, it's just trying to put them all in the suitcase. It's not going to be fun. But yeah, anyway, I have decided, which is funny because I didn't want to do Vlogmas, but I have decided to do a 365 day vlog challenge. Not just vlog, like upload to YouTube challenge. So I am going to put up a video. Why am I doing this to myself? I'm going to put up a video every single day for 2022. What? I didn't even want to do Vlogmas. I've just decided that I really want to see myself grow next year. I feel like for the last two and a half years, I've kind of been at a little bit of a halt with myself. I want to see a lot of growth within myself, like personally. I don't have a lot of goals for 2022, but I just want to be like the happiest, healthiest version of myself. And I kind of want to vlog that sort of personal growth experience. Kind of like a diary, I guess. So yeah, I have decided to put up 365 videos next year. I feel like it'll be really fun. Like, I've been thinking about it for the last couple of days, and I'm like, you know what, it's 2022, why the hell not? I've been inconsistent on YouTube for the last, like, however many years, probably 3 or 5 years now. And I've been on YouTube for probably 12 years, like a long time. And I thought, you know what, let's get consistent. And we can just put up a video every day. It just can be my everyday life. It can be like a skincare routine. It can be a haul. It can be anything. Just pop a little video up every day. So yeah, I have decided to do that, and I think it'll be really fun. And I'm really interested to see how my life grows from tomorrow to the end of the year, see what I've accomplished, you know. So I always look at like some of the daily vloggers, and I think how cool it must be for them to be able to look back on all their memories of like most of the days, like on all of those days that they've vlogged. I've always thought that was really cool, and it's always been something that's been in my mind for a very like years now. So I think we're going to do it for 2022. So yeah, but anyway, if there's any videos in particular that you guys would be interested to see, let me know down below, like sit down videos, vlogs, whatever, let me know. But I also felt like it would be really cool, just because we are going through a big life change at the moment with moving countries during a pandemic, which is crazy when I think about it. It'll be interesting to vlog that whole experience as well. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. 365 days of Ginelle. I don't know if anyone wants to see that, but I'm doing it. And yeah, that's what we're doing. I don't have much to vlog today. I just wanted to give you guys that little update. Look what this boy has done. Archie, I have this ball pit for him, and he just turns it upside down and turns my lounge into a literal nightmare. I wanted to do a little unboxing actually. I was just using the thing I wanted to unbox as a tripod, but I'll do a little unboxing in just a minute. But let me show you guys what we've done. So we only have this in the lounge now, and then we've got the couch, which one of Olla's friends is coming to pick up on the 3rd. What have we done in Archie's room? Archie's room hasn't really, everything looks the same, but a lot of bits and pieces are gone. So his room is still the same. We got rid of his rug. We're just going to end up chucking this out. I need to put those nappies in the bin. We're just going to end up chucking this out because it's just not stable enough. Like without this little mirror unit here, it's not very stable. So yeah, we will just get rid of that. And then this is his cot. I'm just going to put this up for free because it has got like bite marks. Archie has like attacked it. So I'll just pop it up for free. Someone's coming to pick that up tomorrow. And then, or not tomorrow, the next day. And yeah, I mean, it still looks like there's a lot in our house, but we're slowly getting there. Anyway, you guys will see that over the next couple of days. I'm just going to go fill up my drink bottle because I'm feeling very parched. I haven't drank much water today and it's really hot. So I'm going to go do that, and then we'll do a little unboxing very shortly. Alright, so we have a little unboxing. I thought I'd do an unboxing of my new handbag. Don't mind the sound of my dryer going in the background. Let's move this up a little bit. I'm drying some clothes at the moment, but it was a very unexpected Christmas present. This is from Ola and Archie. But yeah, we weren't supposed to do Christmas presents this year, and Ola surprised me with this. I ended up getting him a present too. We can't I can't just settle on no presents. Like, I have to get something. But we did say no presents. We both ended up breaking that. But he went above and beyond and got me a freaking handbag. A new handbag. Which is crazy. But I'm really, really excited about it. It's absolutely beautiful. He did such a good job. So yeah, I thought I'd unbox it for you guys. I love watching people unbox their designer goods. I don't buy designer goods very often. I've probably bought designer things like maybe 2 or 3 times. So yeah, it's not very often I do this, but I wanted to unbox this one. So we have this little bag here. It's beautiful. This is her here. She is gorgeous. This is the, I'm pretty sure it's the new on the go bag. I'm pretty sure there's 3 different sizes. So there's one smaller than this, one this size, and then there's one slightly bigger. But this is like the perfect size. I've already got a big handbag, which is my Louis Vuitton Neverfull, and I absolutely love it for like if we're going out on a day trip and I need to pack stuff for Archie as well. It's super handy. But this is really nice for something like if I'm just going out by myself for the day, or if I'm going out for like some drinks with my friends, or going out for dinner or something like that. More of like an occasion bag. So yeah, but it's absolutely beautiful. And this is what it looks like here. So it's got the clasp like the Neverfull, so you can close it if you want to. And then it also comes with a shoulder strap as well. And then this is what it looks like on the inside. It's just like a red suede, and then it's got like your phone pocket and whatnot, and a zip pocket as well. But I think it's absolutely beautiful. I love it, absolutely love it. But yeah, I was so shocked when he gave me this. I wasn't expecting anything at all, let alone a handbag, but I'm in love with it. He did such a good job. It's so me. Like, this is not something that I would pick out for myself, but he got it so right. Like, it's beautiful and it's very, very up my alley. So yeah, I am obsessed with it. So yeah, we have that. That was my little Christmas gift. But anyway, I think I'm going to pop this away now. I am just going to relax for the rest of the afternoon. And yeah, we're not really doing much for New Year's today. We're just going to chill out at home. We're staying home, trying to keep nice and safe. And yeah, so we're just going to chill out at home. If I do anything later on, I'll pop in some clips. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you're looking forward to this new kind of series that I'm going to be doing, 365 days of vlogging. I mean, the only time I wouldn't vlog is if something serious happened. So yeah, I really want to nail this on the head for this year. So yeah, I hope you're excited about it. I am kind of scared. It's going to be a lot, but we'll get through it. But I'm so excited to see how my year goes and be able to vlog it all. But anyway, I'm gonna go. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys have a wonderful New Year's, and I will see you all in tomorrow's vlog. Bye.